Okay, we're gonna. Okay, watch this. Watch what we're gonna write.
Let's turn it around.
Yeah, we'll turn it around afterwards. Let's write this.
Solar system has a
Okay. Okay. Read it again.
The solar system has a lot of planets.
Okay, let's write the. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna show you something too. Okay.
QWERT.
Okay.
The solar system has lots of planets.
Okay, wait. Okay, now watch this. Okay. What about this planet?
Mercury,
Okay.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Neptune, Moon, Sun.
All right. That's all the planets we know. Until next time.
What?
All right, one more.
QWER. So the moon, sun,